It is hard to believe that one person's discoveries gave rise to the rapid technological progress of the 20th century up to the present. How could one person give the world electricity, worldwide radio and telecommunications, renewable energy sources, electrical machines, motors and lighting, remote control, robotics and more, including advanced applications which the world has yet to fully comprehend? Incredible as it may seem, the interconnected world we know today was conceived and largely made possible by the brilliant mind and inventions of one gentleman, and yet someone whom few of us have heard of. A scientific genius and spiritual visionary with the heart of a poet and the generosity of a saint, Nikola Tesla gave humanity many gifts necessary for the globally interconnected world in which we live today. Nikola Tesla's vision was of a world where all people had immediate, unlimited access to electricity, as well as free transportation and communications, all of these being powered by the natural forces of water, the sun, wind, and heat from the earth. The majority of today's electricity is generated, transmitted, and converted to mechanical power using Tesla's technologies. Tesla was a great optimist who knew that the more people know and learn about each other, the closer and more fondly the family of humanity will come together in harmony and celebration.
Not without reason, said that man of wisdom, Buddha, ignorance is the greatest evil in the world. The friction which results from ignorance can be reduced only by the spread of knowledge and the unification of the heterogeneous elements of humanity. No effort could be better spent.
To achieve his stellar goals, Tesla worked all year round, almost without rest, and remained unmarried, devoting all his time, energy, and money to work for the benefit of humankind. Furthermore, he sought to give all of his works and inventions freely. In addition to his successes in engineering, he also made important discoveries in physics, geophysics, and other disciplines. Nikola Tesla was born in Serbo-Croatia at midnight between the 9th and 10th of July, 1856, during a powerful thunderstorm. As a precocious yet sensitive child, he was locally famed in his youth for his various achievements. He had a photographic memory and immense powers of visualization. As an adult, he used these powers to test his inventions, but he would also venture into the inner world.
I began to travel, of course in my mind, every night, and sometimes during the day, when alone, I would start on my journeys, see new places, cities, and countries, live there, meet people, and make friendships and acquaintances, and however unbelievable, it is a fact that they were just as dear to me as those in actual life, and not a bit less intense in their manifestations. This I did constantly until I was about 17.
Tesla also referred to seeing flashes of light before his inner vision. He said,
I never had any control over the flashes of light to which I have referred. They were, perhaps, my strangest experience and inexplicable. They usually occurred when I found myself in a dangerous or distressing situation, or when I was greatly exhilarated.
Throughout the spiritual literature and teachings of the world, such inner light is often referred to as the light of God, or the light of wisdom. Nikola Tesla himself was clear about the source of his genius.
The gift of mental power comes from God, divine being, and if we concentrate our minds on that truth, we become in tune with this great power.
Tesla held a magnanimous reverence for all religions, cultures, and spiritual traditions. He avidly read many spiritual scriptures and holy books, including the Christian Bible, the Gospel of Buddha, and numerous Vedic and Hindu texts. He also held discussions with Swami Vivekananda, one of the first Indian yogis to come to the West. Tesla studied in Graz, Austria, working 21 hours every day. He asked his professors if it would ever be possible to create a motor which ran on alternating current. The professor remarked that it would be an impossible idea. For over a year, he ran possible solutions to the problem through his mind, but to no avail. Having relocated to Budapest, Tesla was struck by a mysterious yet debilitating illness. Although pronounced incurable by the physician, Nikola regained his strength. His passion to solve the problem returned, and he knew that if he succeeded, it could literally change the world. In February 1882, Nicholas was walking in the park with a friend, reciting Goethe's Faust, which he knew by heart. Suddenly, the flash of inspiration came. This revelation, based on the production of a rotating magnetic field, gave rise to the worldwide electricity system that we all know and use. By 1896, Tesla had designed and built an alternating current power station and transmission system. It was powered by the clean, renewable energy of Niagara Falls.
What we now want is closer contact and better understanding between individuals and communities all over the earth, and the elimination of egoism and pride. Peace can only come as a natural consequence of the universal enlightenment.
To our tolerant viewers, thank you for joining us on today's Science and Spirituality. Next is Words of Wisdom, right after noteworthy news, here on Supreme Master Television. We wish you a wonderful and uplifting week ahead.